Oh, that's
Was
yours.
it given?
No, that's yours.
I just borrowed it.
I borrowed it.
Okay, okay. This was the first thing that you asked about. The second one was, I do not know kung ano daw yung guidance of the SNDP. Anyway, we went to look at our files at the office. This one, yes, this one. Single copy na ito na naiawat, dinawat-dawat ko kay the NCIP na ito. Kasi the first na naarami was under the auspices of NCIP. This was a 1 million project. 1 million rate. Yes. I don't know why.
1 million.
1 million. The researchers there, syempre nag-assist kami lang as government ni 100,000 consultation, honoraria siguro, consultants po. Jay narami na activity ni Auntie Amic and ni Brian, all relatives of mine, sorry Siyempre Jay, alam na ito, relative mo niya. Actually ni Cesar na Amalos the first ngayon ang Jay basically talking about the SDPP. So, some of you were there, if you remember, series of consultations to BI, nag-aramid tayo ni Indigenous Knowledge. Nakadidi, IKSP, Systems and, sorry, my name now is reverted back to Kawin. Sura, already communication yun. Kung nakini Carla, that's not me anymore.
Nag-base kami ngayon actually dito.
Anyway, ano nga workshop na ito at ni Sir Alawa Sidi as the regional director, at the counterpart ija NCIP. So, isu dati ang lead, takas lang at tayo, takas lang nagbalin ng sample pilot test na this. So, mababayin lang kada ni Sir dito ikot pa. Former matlang yung PDC sa blood. So, maamo na dito Kaya nga. Adakin niya yung aming skills and knowledge in this group right now. So, I thought awan ko kayo.
Never mind.
Fortunately, at the gaya kinakankan si Paul, one in photocopy ni gaya the original. The original kami na i-grupo ito ko kinisa. I mean, aduti umay the office nga magdamag at CPT, kailangan may ng profile, aduti filing, at namin. Several people, including Carla was the latest. So, we will give this to you.
Yes.
This is still the same.
Yes.
You already have pala a electronic copy. Good. It's a good thing you're there. This one. Dito yung file. This is the ancestral domain map. Dati ipakita yung tayo ng part 1 and part 2. Dito yung pinag-combine ni GIS staff meeting. So,
yes.
this could be included in your activity plan. Dito yung ko na ni NCIP din yung bridge. Niya ka dito.
Tay. Bridge.
No. Ati Bridget Zenaida
Pawi.
Amada Pawid ko na niya ti Aramidan yung tigatindan no Baguio ti buong La Trinidad. Look at the map, including the road. Tiname kayo ang aming day road. So it's quite impossible. I do not know no inyong the arrangements with NCIP now. That kasi lang nag-end grade namin ito. Ancestral domain mo kiti na ito yung hanggang nag-graduate.
Actually, di napantayo na ki-consult at the courtesy call kini RD Sir Addo, Attorney Addo. I-clarify tayo nung niya status the Certificate of Ancestral Domain title nila Trinidad. Dapat lang ni Sir na Robert dito So actually nang idea kanya piman And then, may mensa kasi kamati ang sa OT about yung status tayo. Taos to niya ibagang in confirming ni RD.
Actually, budget, damit lang palpalwak kami sa ancestral domain central office. Dati palpalwak kung tiyawan na ito application iti Caltis, iti Trinidad. Actually, medyo na-encounter ko iti Caltis, di Batu Timoy, bid by Mr. Martinez Munang, Wayas, then Ma'am Chudura. Tapos na banggit ko matlang ay nakita ko matlang sa application to the ancestral domain di La Trinidad. Although iso na approve pati plano. Di problema lang.
Approve Jefferson 1 and 2.
Tinakita ko kat buo ma'am.
Kaya
Kasano?
isa ka rin dito eh. Talaga nga
Buo na ito. Di problema na lang kuwangay. Hanga na register di ROD.
Kaya nga kasi nga hindi mo talaga ma-register.
Nagdapat meeting mi lang hindi last Sunday. Kaya amamuti mo jay ado kan di na. Dako ka nga trabaho tayo konsulta kung lang kasano ka di aramid di.
Takot nila yung confusion namin nga talaga between the ancestral inheritance, right? And with the Torrens title, blah 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 blah.
Di challenges ka no. Although kaya data. Kunan mo di kaya data basta ikanda kami ti resolution nga trabaho mo ni problema. Bachita isigregate da research ta kano kadagay patents dagay torrents title. So basigregate iso ti kung kunada no ituloy teori ta akat bakit mabati nga claim yung ancestral domain kan kalsada. Communal forest kasi lang ano. Dahil kwat latest nga na istorya.
Well, so kasi karon ituloy ko lang kalangay nga isegregate mo gamit na gid na title properties dito eh. So ano di mabati niya di mabati. So na lang ti kalangay nga adati claim tayo di kati. So nati yung that is better than nothing. At least na gid na communal forest may langay ka. Adati may kanta yun ti authority kalangay nga kasi. Anyway, kung nabat lang ni Regional Director, ang damdamag ni Ma'am EJ Chatbox, kung nagrigat kami na komenta at ito, iso nga, anyway, sasama tayo dito, ito tayo nga i-share di na pagsawan tayo di office ni Regional Director Adog. Kung nalabi man nga, adati kalangay nga balbalik na issue, gamin no adati certificate of ancestral domain title mo, haan kan nga mabalik nga ang kalti. So for example, no ma-approve ang kalti tayo dito Trinidad, jay kalti Timoy, jay kalti Nikwa, kalangay nga awan na gidayan. So, adati may isang munisipyo, I think Bakon Kano, na adati kantida, and then they are now trying to, kalangay nga, waswasan jay kanti, tapno sukatan dati kalti. Tano adati kanti, awan ti kalti, kasi, no adati kalti, awan ti kalti. Kasi hindi mangyari. Kung kuna ni Sir Andong nga, no siya kayo, no iso na ka, no katawang ko maproblema na ita, takantingit jay general, jay kaltikat na jay na specific. So nga kasi iti agbalbalin nga issue about kanti and kalti. So, kasi lang, additional lang day in open ni Ma'am Sharon.
Okay. Siguro, those are the things that you have to put into the updated ads TPP. And then later, dinawat ko na kopya yung
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
give it to you kasi yung may siding na ito nabudod lang yung Carla. And then with regards to ethnicity, this is the community-based management system file regarding ethnicity by barangay. So this is something like 100 pages back to back.
Okay. Thank you.
If you want to look at it per barangay, to it. In one page, this is the summary. What do you have? The Ibaloy is only 23%. There are more Kankanais, 43%. Katawa kayo. Napukaw nga talaga yung Ibaloy niya. Napandamami dyan bantay.
Oh yeah.
Ano dyan?
Trinidad.
Haan kami tinigat na kami dito nga question nga ikot. At ati question ito nga buntok nga ikot mas daawak kay buntok 2%. Pareho dalang jay Pangasinan nga 2%. Baka ti question kami dito ikot no inya ti mother. Baka ti handa nga naawatan ka jay mother tongue.
Yeah.
So the buntok speaks also Kankanay, di ba? So nag-mix ang amin dito yun. Dati Benguet nga Ibaloy. Di Ibaloy, di tihan nga na-specified. Di ba? Kung nata yung ati IPs tayo nga ikat, we have di Kalamuya, Ibaloy, Kankanay. Who else?
Only 3.
Only 3.
2023.
Okay. So this is the summary. So, may confusion gaya. Apay nga tangahan nga may 990 Ilocano IT. Iko na nagayang ti Ipalo is, it's the group of people who have continuously lived on a community-bounded piece of land since time immemorial. Ijaya ka nag-focus. We have been here since time immemorial. The Ilocanos people of Buyagan, they were brought by the Spaniards, you know, remember your history, to be the writers and the carpenters. Kasi di na tayo tinag-build the church tayo, loko-loko di Ibaloy. The following day, nag-crumble the church. So we did not, hako mo nung sinadya tayo di ay, na Ibaloy di, just in jest for the, towards the Spaniards. So they got the Ilocanos of the, Baba, the carpenters. So ano kitaan niyo ti Buyagan, very distinct nga. Di taga-town, iso din digi educated. Digi doktor, kasi tapos ije other side na ikat there, the carpentries, the muscles, and everything. Tatanga ikat nakitutak. Kasi lang nga nabayagan na nagnabuyagan dito, tapi it changed its face for a matter of 2 or 3 years. Anyways, and, kung ano yung definition, who retain their pre-colonial customs, traditions, and social structures apart from the mainstream population. Kaya sa wanda tayo, nasakop tayo, we retained our culture, whatever our culture was before the Spaniards came. Although na-incorporate yun, the dumay niya. The Ilocano gaya ng Tagalog, mainstream diyan ng population. So the Ilocanos, they brought their culture here, iso nga na-adult tayo yung nagsalat the dances da. We also learned how to clean our houses very well, how to wash our dishes, because di ko na nilulak iningay ka, tak-tak, nanalang ka ng GMT. Bounty coconut?
Yes.
Oh. Because she lived in Buyagan, so one would kano the Ilocanos to wash the dishes and to clean her house and to plant not only vegetables but also flowers. So, di ay ginagawa kayo ti Ilocanos. Siyang agayang na kami in our part. Anyway, so di ay gayang. So, sorry for the confusion. This is one page. If you'd like an electronic, you can come to the office. I wasn't sure if we had PowerPoint. That's for you. What else do we have here? I don't know. Nagaduty files may office. Actually, I'm kami nga declutter mo lang. So nga, dahil gaya, since I'm from the planning office, we had conducted a workshop in the Municipal Development Council in the October 13. One sector there was the Culture and Arts Sub-Sectoral Committee and the Social, Mr. Data. Tina-identify ni IPMR, construction of municipal gallery and museum, the amount of 20 million. The application of historical and cultural book of Latinidad, 1 million. Institutionalization, community-based cultural training programs in all barangays. Establishment of the LT, Indigenous People Enterprise and Trade Center to market indigenous crafts, agriculture, and products, and Indigenous People Recognition, Commendation, and Awards Program in the municipality. We also did some research, EJ Sangguniang Bayan, University of Jai, kasi, if I remember right, in 2015, 18, kaya, we conducted a preliminary capability building for the ICC/IPO for the preparation and updating of the DPP niya. In my opinion, ni Councilor Awingan then presented a proposed ordinance on cultural heritage. Now, for your information, it has become an ordinance. So that the ordinance na tayo. It was approved in 2019. It says institutionalizing the programs, projects, and activities for the conservation and protection of the cultural heritage of the municipality. And then, nga pa siya doon dyan. Revised Indigenous Peoples Month Ordinance. Kung naman, amo yun siguro dito by heart. There is a revised in 2025. So we will furnish this with you. Other files nga nakalkalmi, di nga ikot toward issues and concerns nako. ICCIP Land Summit who was involved there.
Strawberry. Yes,
Strawberry
hotel.
Festival, Strawberry Hotel. At that time, if you'd like to look at it, I know, duly documented by staff of the municipio. Madugo talaga ang land summit. Uray no ayabang ti DNR, Land Registration Authority, ang kinkinas jay da. Kasi kadugo di ay, da kayo, ang aming ang naramid yun, kung na dyan may sa, mababan ang aming dyan problema dyan opisina. Kasi ay ba nag-rumor ni dyan. 2018, gaya dyan, naramid kayo hindi. Dito yung documentation na. And then, most importantly, siguro, dagito yung old files. Dagito yung makita yung original na Proclamation 209 documents. Katawa ako na Jamie sa nga kanwag yung office ko. Tanda nga mo nga, nilolo na katabat to yung gaya nga may sanga. She didn't know. Ngayon nati, no, kasano nga, dalote na yung tawag. Dito yung document kat nakita, yung nagan niya yung lolo na. So, dito mo makikita talaga, no, sino yung original dito yung dad. Dada, di pa lang. Amoy naman siya history on the proclamation ng 209 niya. Anyway, so all of these documents, it's occupying space in our office. We will forward it to you as the IPO. So, DI. I do not know, Gamin, how you need our help the way I heard it a while ago. Kasi I was asking Carla no, that the program paper she didn't give me any copy and how I'm going to copy. But we will forward this to you. We wrote a letter turning over all of these documents. So, kasi ako. And then one thing more, if I remember right, Jay, may sagayang na output tayo ED was the, of course it has to be approved by this body. We updated your vision and mission statement.
Okay.
Kasi, ayan na di eh. Bakta na biyag di electronic files. Vision statement. Where is it now? Na? Ay, tapos. Last. I will read it. The original was, we, the Indigenous peoples, quote and open and close parentheses, ibaloy kankanay kalanguya of the Trinidad, owners and protectors of developed ancestral domain, and vision to live in a progressive community where we and our future generations are unified, peaceful, healthy, empowered, and productive. That was the original one. The revised was, nikat tayo lang the open and close parentheses of the ibaloy kankanay. Hindi kalumuya. Kasi considering na rupiman nga, the IPs of La Trinidad has changed. Kasi they came in here, they migrated into here, and they still brought their culture and traditions here. That is the contention ED. But it was never approved. I made to understand nga awanti na aaramid nga at DPP plan after 2007.
Yes, awan sa awan ma'am.
Ada gamitin funding ED from headquarters, right?
Yes.
Oh, so hagpura siya kang pamilya. Kasi dahil ko mga ikat naglulugyan ni kumangahan nga natuloy.
Pero we will do.
Yes. Anyway, ada na aramid no work and financial plan ED. Nag-propose kami matlang. Kasi syempre hindi nga ikat kwa. Kung 1 million hindi kat honorarium amin di ay. Ina-propose lang hindi nga ikat 550,000. That was 2018 or 2019. Awan je kopyak na napirma ni Sir Pendon. So I don't know no later they will headquarters. Anyway, you already did your background and assignment very well, so I will not delve into that. I don't know how. Isudhiyahin ko, sir.
Actually, ang question ko man di ko na taamin tayo siguro dito yung at kupapay, we are going with the flow.
Pwede.
Noon niya ti aramidan tayo.
Pwede.
Most of us ngayit 180 2007. Actually, at that time, we are not involved with the kwa. Noon niya kasayo niya the flow, niya na rin kasayo, processes. Iso nga di may sakay nga ng ayaban tayo ni Ma'am Sharon kumaday ko na regarding the to guide us.
Kasi, adamat na hinaramid yun ng process flow yun.
Ngam anyway kat ada ito yung inaramid tayo and they kuna tayo maruntan tayo nga ada dito yan at STPP tayo. We don't have to do extensive researches. Ada lang and ada man the updates from Ma'am Sharon dagiti dagwa. And with regards to the